Today I'm going to show you how to add a QR code to your video using CapCut. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. So first import your video where you want to add the QR code to. Once you have imported it, drag it to the timeline like this. Now import the QR code image, you just download it. Drag it in the media section like this. This will add the QR code on top of your video footage. Now click the QR code on the preview screen. You'll be able to resize it by dragging the corner like this. Move it to your desired location on the screen, whether it's the corner or the center of the video. Let us keep it in the center like this. You can make it stay throughout the video or just for a few seconds. If you want to keep it for a few seconds, just keep it at the end like this. If you want the QR code to appear more dynamically, now CapCut lets you add animation effects. Click on animation and you can add any style you want from here. Let us add this one. This will make it pop on your video. Now let's preview our video. Yeah, and that's how you add a QR code to your video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.